welcome to the craft room. I'm going to take you down to the window where my garden is and we can check that out. Just to let you know, I do mention this in the little clip that I filmed for my garden, but I am trying out a new camera. It's one that we got from the storage unit and I guess nobody wants it, so I claimed it. It does use batteries, so it should be fairly easy to keep going. And also it is a lot smaller than the one that I normally use. The only thing I don't like about it is I can't see what I'm recording. All I'm looking at is the front of the camera. The screen is actually on the back, so fingers crossed that this looks pretty good. And I am going to show you my garden update. I haven't done one in a little over 2 weeks, and just to let you know, I am trying a different camera. This is one that we salvaged and it runs off a battery, so I'm going to see what it does and how well it does. So here is my tomato plant. As you can see, I still have one here and one here. These do not seem to be growing at all. My big tomatoes right here, they're looking pretty good. However, they're starting to get some brown spots on them. I'm not sure what's up with that. It's not like they sit in a lot of water, so I don't know why. And I think I'm getting some new little ones. Looks like I might have a new one coming on right here. Not sure. I guess we'll have to wait and see. Over here I have one of my basil plants, and I did just water these yesterday and I gave them some fertilizer water. So this one is doing quite well. Looks yummy, good. I can't wait to use it. Here is my second one. It is also doing quite well. And then my goodness, my lavender. It is just like really taking off. And I do have some little lavender flowers coming on here. That looks like that's going to be blurry. I can't tell. But anyway, it looks like I've got some lavender flowers coming on, which is super exciting. My peppermint is literally just taking over everywhere. So excited. I'm probably gonna have to snip some of these and start drying my peppermint, but oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. And then here is my basil. This is my hydroponic basil. It is looking really good as well, and I hope you can see that okay. And I did add just a little bit of water to this the other day, some more fertilizer water. I pull this out every day, but look at those roots. You see the roots down in the bottom there? That is like so cool. I want to grow more stuff like that, but I want to wait until I have more room, or maybe more time, or I don't know. I might try some things this winter if I can keep it a little warmer up here. But for now, that's what I have, and like I said, there's just a few little spots I think I might have some new tomatoes coming on, but I'm not sure. We'll just have to wait and see. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little update. My garden, at least my basil and my lavender and my peppermint, are doing really well. I'm getting a little discouraged with my tomato plant. I'm not sure what's up with it. I'm not sure why it's not getting any taller, or the tomatoes are not getting any riper, or why I'm not producing any more tomatoes than I already have. So if you have any suggestions on that, leave me a comment, and I will definitely take all comments in consideration. Just to let you know, the tomato plant that I do have is called a patio tomato, and it is actually meant to grow in containers. And the other thing, from what I understand, tomatoes are self-pollinating, so I don't know, maybe this one's different or something like that. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you right back here in the craft room for my next video.